Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Resin family. Today I would like to show you a short tutorial on how to use craft resin. Put on a smock or apron at the beginning to protect your clothes, because resin does not wash out and will ruin your clothes, as you can see. A respirator mask is an absolute must-have. Please wear one to protect your airways. Make sure that it fits. In the following you will need your craft resin kit, a scale and a beaker. Before you start, you need to put on gloves. Next, prepare the resin and hardener. Craft resin is mixed in a ratio of 1:1. Therefore, we now fill the same amount of resin and hardener into the beaker. Don't forget to set the scale to 0 before adding component B. Now mix thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes. You can recognize that the resin is ready by its crystal clear transparency. If you wish, you can now add color. Degrease your surface before pouring. I use acetone for this. Make sure that there is no dust. Now carefully pour the resin into the mold. Note that you can only pour in layers and that each layer must be completely hardened before the next one is poured. Don't forget to remove dust again and remove all bubbles with an anti-bubble spray. Now leave the resin to harden for 12 to 24 hours. After the required number of layers, you can now marvel at the result. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow my private account, you can find me on Instagram under epoxy.